name's Yuri and welcome to BLAU Parts. We're going to be looking at our oil change kit for the Volkswagen TDIs with the BEW and BHW engine codes. These engines are used across the Mark IV platform in a variety of Volkswagen models as well as the Volkswagen Passat. This particular oil change kit features 5 liters of the Revenol VMO 5W40, a MALA original oil filter, and the drain plug. First, I'd like to briefly touch on the importance of using the proper oil in the BEW and BHW TDI engines. It is crucial. These engines have an injection system that is driven mechanically off of the camshaft with roller-type rocker arms that actuate or fire the injectors. This is called the pump-deuce injection system. Because of this injection system, or this design, using an extremely high-quality oil is necessary for the long-term reliability of your TDI. If you don't use the proper oil specification, more than likely over time you could damage the camshaft, rocker arms, or even the top portion of the injectors, which can obviously be a costly repair for you. Revenol VMO carries the formal factory approval from Volkswagen for the 50501 oil quality standard. This is the only oil specification that should be used in the BEW and BHW engine code TDIs. If you don't specifically see the oil specification indicated on the bottle, don't use the oil. It is an inferior quality oil. What really sets this oil apart from other oils in the industry is Revenol's Clean Sinto technology. What does this mean? Simply put, it's a higher level of quality synthetic base oil than what is typically used in the oil industry, and it features a highly advanced additive package. When compared to other synthetics on the market, you'll notice a much quieter running engine, reduced deposit and sludge buildup, and even an improvement in fuel economy. Specifically on one of our TDIs with the pump-deuce injection system, we've noticed a much quieter running valve train and an improvement in fuel economy of around 2 to 3%. And this was compared to some of the other oils that are very popular off-the-shelf oils in the industry. So that's just a few of the many features of the Revenol VMO. Our kit also features the MALA original oil filter. MALA is an official OE oil filter manufacturer and refuses to sacrifice when it comes to the quality of their products. This filter uses the OE flow rates, materials, capacity, and construction. We also use the drain plug, which is the identical design to the original drain plug with the built-in sealing washer. So that's an overview on our oil change kit for the BEW and BHW TDI diesel engines. If you have any questions on our oil change kits, feel free to give us a call or visit our website at blauparts.com. Thank you for watching.